welcome to another session of Bachelor's Kitchen. Bachelor's Kitchen is all about making simple and easy recipes without compromising on the taste. So today we are going to make the famous Bombay street food, Pav Bhaji. So Pav Bhaji is like a vegetable spicy curry which is served with soft bread, and it is one of my favorite. So the ingredients we need to make Pav Bhaji are: I have taken 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, half capsicum. I have taken 1/4 cup of peas, salt to taste, chili powder, some butter, and then I have taken some coriander, some Kasoori Methi, half lemon, 2 boiled potatoes, and the most important thing, Pav Bhaji Masala.
Take a regular pan. Here I have taken a wok. Add some butter into it. In goes tomatoes and some peas and capsicum. After that, you saute till you see water getting separated from the tomatoes, and then you add potatoes into it. Add some salt to it and stir it well and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add some more water into it, and now we will be steam cooking the vegetable, so cover it with a lid. After 5 minutes, you can see the vegetables are nicely cooked. This is my favorite part. Smash, smash, smash. Smash till you get a nice thick paste. Now your vegetable paste is ready. Now it is time to give it some flavoring. So add some red chilli powder, some turmeric, Kasoori Methi, and the most important ingredient, Pav Bhaji Masala. So now mix it nicely and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Now we are done with the first part of making Pav Bhaji. Moving on to the second part, which is making the fried onion masala, which gives Pav Bhaji its authentic street food taste. So once your vegetable paste is nicely cooked, stick it to the side of the pan and make like a hole in between. Add some butter into it. Add some red chili powder, some Kasoori Methi, coriander leaves, and Pav Bhaji Masala, and also squeeze a lemon. And in goes the onion and ginger garlic paste. So now we will be frying this onion masala till it gets a nice golden brown color. And after that, you mix the whole masala with the vegetable paste. I'm adding some food coloring into it. It is optional, but yeah, the food which looks great tastes great. Fry it nicely. I'll be adding some water into it. If you like it thick, you don't have to add water, but usually the Pav Bhaji which we get, it has a watery consistency, so I'm adding some water. These are like the final touches to the Pav Bhaji. I'm also going to add some extra food coloring into it. It is optional. Now moving on to the pav for a Pav Bhaji. I have taken a tawa. I have added some butter onto it. Add some Pav Bhaji masala, some red chili powder. I couldn't find pav, so I'm using burger buns. And there you go, your Pav Bhaji is ready to be served.
So So let me know what do you feel about my recipe in the comment section. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you then.